This simple orange and lemon is going to change your health. Okay, it's very simple. You want to lose weight, you want to improve your blood pressure. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm going to show you how to use lemon and oranges to grow your hair. All you do is stop eating any animal products, stop eating any cooked starches. In fact, stop eating any cooked foods whatsoever, and replace that with oranges and lemons, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or whenever you're hungry. Make an orange juice. Okay, put 5 oranges, 1 lemon, combine them together. Drink it whenever you want. Eat the oranges raw. Have as much as you want, no calorie counting. Okay, give it time, 2 to 3 weeks. You're gonna see changes that you cannot believe, folks. It's that powerful. This is your health insurance plan. This is gonna change your health, and people are gonna be asking you why, how. It's that simple. Simply replace the cooked food animal starches with these two. That's it. Give it 3 to 4 weeks. You'll be blown away by the results. You will write to me and say thank you, okay? Because I get this every day. People thanking me. Just oranges and lemons. That's it. Do it. You deserve it.